Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL PartyBox Encore 2 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your microphone settings using your application. So as you can see, here we have our JBL PartyBox application, and here, as you can see, here we have the product controls. We have to tap on here, and this is the microphone itself. And now I will connect my microphone to my speaker to show you the difference between my settings. So now I will decrease the bass. Now my bass is decreased, and now my bass is increased. Let me just slightly lower the volume level of my microphone, like that. And here we have the treble level. We can increase the treble level and decrease the treble level. We can set it to the 0 value, 2. And here we have the echo. And it works like that. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.